Most fish have simple brains, but giant manta rays think like dolphins. With an IQ closer to primates than other marine life, how did evolution create such a complex mind in a creature that looks like it's just gliding? Manta rays belong to the elasmobranch family with sharks and skates, yet they possess the largest known brain of any fish. Unlike standard fish brains designed for basic survival, their neural structures are uniquely separated into three distinct complexes that interact independently rather than as a single unit. This unique architecture allows for higher-order thinking. Researchers have observed that their EQ is surprisingly high, often displaying curious and playful behaviors that suggest a level of social intelligence rarely seen in non-mammalian species. Scientists test this capacity by looking for self-awareness, similar to how researchers study turtles' hippocampus. Because manta brains can be 10 times larger than a whale shark's, they likely process spatial information and social cues with a mammal-like efficiency. In the wild, divers often see them acting playful and highly social. They coordinate hunting in large groups and will go out of their way to interact with humans, suggesting a mental state far more complex than your average fish. Some ecologists even believe they might recognize themselves in mirrors, a significant sign of consciousness. This implies that their detached brain structures allow for a level of introspection usually reserved for mammals. Ultimately, the manta ray proves that intelligence in the ocean doesn't look like a human brain. Their massive, specialized neural networks create a creature that is truly one of Earth's most sophisticated thinkers. This deep dive shows us that evolution takes many paths to intelligence. Did you know manta rays have the biggest fish brains? Tell me your favorite fact about them in the comments.